Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join two videos together on the InShot application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the InShot app on your device. And once you open it, you can tap on the video option to create a new project or open up any of your old ones. Once you choose your video files that you want to add to your project, tap on the tick mark and they will be added to your timeline. Now within your timeline, you will see your video tracks, one after the other. You can add transitions if you wish by tapping on the transition icon. And if you wish to join these two videos, then all you will need to do is export after importing them into your timeline. When you tap on the export button, you will be able to choose your resolution, the frame rate as well as format. After choosing all of these, tap on the export button and it will begin exporting your video right away. Now in case you want to put your videos side by side, then in this case, then from the edit menu, tap on picture in picture and then upload this other video file. Now this other layer will also be added within your video. You can adjust its size and scale and even crop it to freely pick its dimensions. After choosing the dimension, tap on the tick mark and adjust the scale once again. And now you can tap on the play button to view the preview and your videos will now play side by side. After adjusting the position one final time, tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. And now you can export your video side by side within your edit right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join two different videos together on the InShot application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.